How to book flight on AirAsia. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to book a flight on AirAsia. First of all, open the web browser. Select your profile to continue. Here search AirAsia. Click to open its site. Then in flights, enter your details to book the flight. Select your destiny from where to where. Then choose your location. I'm selecting from Chittagong to Kolkata. Set your depart date as I'm setting right here. After that, enter your return date as well. Click on the confirm button. Then click on the search button. Well, it shows you the whole details of flight and also some facilities to choose, like choosing the cabin class as economy. You can select your flight by some specific order, like cheapest, fastest, earliest. Then from cheapest, order select your flight. Here, you can see all the details regarding your flight. Choose your gender, give all of the information, name, DOB, passport number. After putting all the information, click on Continue. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.